community is incredibly important to us. And there's an old saying, if you want to go fast, do it by yourself. If you want to go far, do it as a team. And really Partner Day is about celebrating that and trying to fuel that community spirit.
The community here is great. The amount of involvement of SIs working with the platform, working together to advance the direction of the platform, and Shopware paying attention to that, showing up here in numbers and making sure they're connecting with the community. Amazing platform.
So I was at this event last year and it's so exciting to see how it's grown. The value proposition is really strong, and I think that every year that name recognition grows, and I feel like they're a platform to watch, and I love working with Shopware.
We're seeing partnerships and relationships become more important than ever before, and they're really taking a consultative and partner approach with brands, which is very different. Shopware's doing a killer job of that. We're proud to be a part of the journey. Couldn't be more excited to be here.
We are a small part of a big market, and our goal with Community Day is to bring all those partners together and really kind of take commerce to where it's going next.